Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the range of a data set. The range means the difference between your largest value and your smallest value. The very first thing you're going to always want to do is put your data in order from smallest to largest. Once you do that and you put your data in order, then it's easy to find where your smallest value is, which is 5, and your largest value, which is 12. You're then going to want to find the difference. Difference means to subtract. So we're going to do 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. So 7 is our range. Range means how many values from your smallest all the way to your largest. So our range here is 7. Next, I'm going to show you how to find the range of decimal numbers. Again, the very first step is you want to put them in number order from smallest to largest. Once you do that, you can find your smallest value and you can find your largest value. When you subtract or add decimals, the very key thing to do is put them on top of each other with the decimals lined up and each place value lined up. That way you're adding or subtracting within the correct place value. We're going to start at the end. 3 minus 2 is 1. We then can put our decimal in because that's what comes next. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So our answer here is 1.1 is the range. We can also find the range with integers. This one becomes a little more tricky, so you're going to want to pay attention. After we put our data in order from smallest to largest, we are going to subtract. Now, here's where it's tricky. We're going to do 6 minus negative 8. Anytime you get a minus next to a negative, this minus can actually come on over and it makes this one a plus. Those two lines together make a plus sign. So I am actually going to be adding 8 plus 6. And when I add 8 plus 6, I get 14 as an answer. The difference between negative 8 all the way to 6 is 14. I have 14 numbers that are between them. In order to prove this or show it, I could even write out every single number between negative 8 all the way to 6. And in doing so, I should end up with my range, which would be 14. And I would end up with 14 values if I were to continue on in this pattern all the way until I got to the 6. So again, to find range, all you're doing is putting your values in order from smallest to greatest, and then you are subtracting. But remember these tricky integer ones, that if you are subtracting a negative number, then you're really adding them. Good luck.